And we're also staying on top of a health alert tonight. There are some new cases in Clark County of whooping cough. Let's go ahead and take a look at some stats they've got out there. The county tells us there have been 183 cases since June 1st. So far this year, more than 220 cases have been identified in Clark County. That's more than the total number of cases over the last 5 years combined. And of this year's cases, 65% of those folks have never been vaccinated. We spoke with the Clark County public health officer today who described the cold-like symptoms.
You can have mild symptoms of a cold and not even realize that you're infected and contagious with the bacteria that causes whooping cough. So you won't even know it. That's why we're saying that, the best way to prevent this is to be vaccinated to reduce your chances of getting it in the first place.
And if you are vaccinated, especially this time of year, it can help your kids prevent missing school.